When you try to use DoorDash CarPlay integration and see the not available in your region error, it means DoorDash hasn't officially launched CarPlay support in your area yet. As of August 2025, CarPlay for the Dasher app is primarily available in the United States, covering all 50 states, Canada in major metropolitan areas, Australia in select cities, and there's a limited rollout happening in the United Kingdom. This restriction isn't purely technical. It's driven by three main factors: regulatory compliance, since different countries have varying laws regarding driver app interfaces; market maturity, as DoorDash rolls out features in established markets first; and infrastructure requirements, where back-end systems must support CarPlay-specific data formatting. DoorDash uses a three-layer verification system to enforce regional restrictions. First, it checks your App Store region setting. Then, it verifies your Dasher account's registered location. Finally, it cross-references your real-time GPS coordinates with supported service areas. This means that even if you're very close to a supported region, like Windsor, Ontario being just 5 miles from Detroit, you might still encounter the error if your Dasher account isn't registered in a supported area. Proximity doesn't override the account-based verification system. The key takeaway is that this error is business-driven rather than technical. DoorDash carefully controls CarPlay availability through multiple verification layers as they gradually expand to new markets based on regulatory approval and infrastructure readiness. When facing the not available in your region error, many Dashers look for workarounds. However, most of these solutions carry significant risks and have low success rates. There are three main lower risk approaches. First, waiting for official expansion announcements from DoorDash. Second, participating in beta programs when available. Third, legitimately changing your address to a supported region. Higher risk workarounds include manipulating your App Store region settings and using VPN services. These methods can lead to account suspension and terms of service violations. Data from 2024 to 2025 reveals that only 12% of workarounds maintain long-term functionality. Industry experts emphasize that regional restrictions are primarily about liability and regulatory compliance, not technical limitations. The recommended approach is to wait for official regional expansion rather than risk account penalties through unauthorized workarounds. DoorDash continues to gradually expand CarPlay support to new regions based on regulatory approval and market readiness.